Yeah, bafethu ish sihleli la sibhizi nge-charts kahle kahle la. Sibhizi nge-charts, busy nge-charts, busy nge-charts, busy nge-charts, busy nge-charts. Yabo. So yeah, I know ngisemphantweni la first ngihlele endlini. I'm hustling, you know. I'm hustling. Ngenza forex trading at the moment, ngiya trader. You know what I mean? I'm changing my situation, you know, and I'm doing this because of sifuna ukukhula man, you know. Sifuna ukukhula empilweni, sizama uku-impacta impilo yethu ne-family yethu and future generation. What is happening here is I've came across forex while I was growing, you know, because I've decided to change mindset yami, to change consciousness yami, you know what I mean, and it came to a point where I've realized I have to try to do something because there is no opportunity for us out there, you know. And nobody has told us about money, you know, specifically about money. But Charlie wasn't just vexing some benza, you know. And once you join that system, you are being manipulated because that machine is a running machine which was created back then about Rockefeller, about JP Morgan, and before them they create ma Greek, Bejunjulas ma Africans, and Benegas ma Roman Empire, Christianity, you know, and what you call it in the Great Britain, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and there's a lot that has happened back then, which is we're not aware and we're not being told at school. So siyakhohliswa la sikhonjiswa nje information ofana sikhonjiswe sinikeza information useless, in fact, ezokwenza ukuthi ube umsebenzi which is uzocatshangelwa i-system. You don't have to think for yourself. Kuba ngathi wena wazi lutho kanti wena we are more than that, you know. If bekukhombisa direction, your mind can start to create patterns to that direction, you know what I mean? Because what is important